In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up dual monitors on a Windows 10 computer. Connect both monitors to the computer using either an HDMI, VGA, or USB cable, depending on what your monitor uses. Turn both monitors on. Turn on the computer. At the bottom left of the screen, click on the Windows logo and type Display Settings. Click on Ease of Access Display Settings and then click on Additional Display Settings. The numbered boxes indicate the number of monitors you have. Monitor number 1 will be your main monitor. Click and drag to move them and make sure they're in the right position in relation to each other. And then click Apply. Scroll down and find the Multiple Displays option. If you want your screens to show different things, select the Extend these displays option. If you want to show the same image on both screens, select the Duplicate this display option. We're going to use ours as an extended display.